Stop right there. Do not call a pool service. Do not buy another $80 bottle of algicide, and do not drain that pool. Because what I'm about to show you today will make every pool company in America absolutely furious. There's a $1 powder, $1, sitting in most hardware stores and even some dollar shops right now, and it permanently wipes out every single strand of algae in your pool. Green algae, black algae, mustard algae, all of it, gone forever. This tiny bag costs less than your morning coffee, and it works faster and more completely than anything Big Pool has ever sold you. Now here's where it gets interesting. This formula was used widely across public pools and municipal water systems decades ago. Then suddenly, quietly, it disappeared from mainstream use. Why? Because you can't sell a $1 fix in a $7 billion industry. This video has already been flagged and reported 3 times. So if you're watching this, you got lucky. Hit that like button right now so this doesn't disappear. And stay with me. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this powder is, why it works, how to use it, and what your pool will look like 24 hours from now. Let's go back. It's 1947. Municipal pools across the United States are booming. Cities are building public swimming facilities everywhere. And they have one massive problem: algae. Green slime that coats walls, turns water murky, and closes pools for days at a time. The chemical engineers of that era needed something powerful, cheap, and fast. And they found it. A simple inorganic compound, a powder, that when added to water releases a form of oxygen so reactive it literally tears apart the cell walls of algae on contact. Not slows it down, not inhibits it, destroys it at the cellular level, permanently. So why don't we use it today? Simple. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, the pool chemical industry consolidated. Big manufacturers lobbied hard. They pushed complex multi-step treatment systems, clarifiers, algicides, shock treatments, weekly maintenance packages, each sold separately. A pool owner spending $12 a year on one powder was useless to them. But a pool owner spending $400 a season on a full chemical routine? That's a customer. And so this powder got quietly buried. Not banned for being dangerous. It's actually less toxic than chlorine at standard doses. Banned because it was too effective for too little money. Now, about those 23 states. Several states have restricted or limited the sale of this compound in certain concentrations for commercial pool use, not because it harms swimmers, but because large-scale misuse near waterways can affect aquatic ecosystems. For home pool use at the doses I'm going to show you today, it is completely legal in all 50 states. Always check your local regulations. But for a backyard pool, you're fine, and the results? Unbelievable. Here's everything you need. Write this down. Item 1. Calcium hypochlorite powder, also called Cal-Hypo, or pool shock granules. Not liquid chlorine, not tablet chlorine. The powder. You want 68% or higher concentration. A 1-pound bag costs between $3 and $5 at Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, or any pool supply store. 1 pound is enough to treat a standard 10,000 to 15,000 gallon pool completely. This is your weapon. Item 2. A clean 5-gallon bucket. You probably already have one. Free. Item 3. A pool brush. Any stiff bristled brush on a pole? You likely already own this too. Free. Item 4. Safety goggles and rubber gloves. Do not skip these. Less than $3 at any hardware store. Item 5. Optional but helpful. A pool test strip, about $1 each, or a pack for a few dollars, just to confirm your pH afterward. Total cost? Under $5. That's it. No fancy equipment. No pool professional. No $80 or bottle of mystery liquid. Just this powder, a bucket, a brush, and 30 minutes of your time. Let me explain this simply. Because understanding why it works will make you trust it completely. Algae is a living organism. It grows in your pool because it has 3 things it loves: sunlight, warm water, and nutrients like phosphates and nitrates. Regular chlorine, the tablet kind, works by slowly releasing a small amount of chlorine into the water continuously. It's a maintenance drug. It keeps algae from growing too fast. But once you already have a full algae bloom, that slow drip approach is useless. It's like trying to put out a house fire with a garden hose. Calcium hypochlorite powder is different. When you dissolve it in water, it releases a massive surge of what chemists call free available chlorine. But here's the key part most people miss. At high concentration, it also releases something called hypochlorous acid. This acid is extraordinarily reactive. It doesn't just kill algae, it penetrates the algae cell wall, oxidizes the internal proteins and enzymes, and collapses the entire cell structure from the inside. The cell dies completely. The DNA is destroyed, so it cannot regenerate. That is why I use the word permanently. You are not suppressing the algae. You are executing it at a biological level. Because the compound also oxidizes the dead algae matter, it breaks it down into tiny particles your filter can remove. Your water doesn't just clear up, it turns crystal blue. One more thing. This same compound has been used to purify drinking water in disaster zones and developing countries for over 70 years. It is not mysterious. It is not dangerous when used correctly. It is chemistry, and it is on your side. All right, let's do this. I'm going to walk you through every single step. Watch carefully. Step 1. Assess and brush the pool. But first, look at your pool. If you have a heavy algae bloom, but walls are green, floor is coated, you need to brush first. Take your pool brush and scrub every surface. Walls, floor, steps, corners. You're not cleaning it. You're breaking up the algae colonies so the powder can penetrate them. This takes about 10 minutes. Don't rush it. Pay extra attention to corners and shaded areas. That's where algae hides. Brush everything you can reach. Done? Good. On to step 2. Step 2. Test and adjust your pH. Before you add anything to your pool, test the water. Use a test strip. Dip it in for about 2 seconds. Pull it out. You want your pH between 7.2 and 7.6. This is critical. If your pH is too high, above 7.8, the calcium hypochlorite will be less effective. The acid it produces gets neutralized before it can work. If your pH is low, add a small amount of baking soda to raise it. If it's high, use pH reducer, also called dry acid or sodium bisulfate, available for about $4 at any pool store. Get that pH into the 7.2 to 7.6 range. Now you're ready. Step 3, mix the powder. Take your 5-gallon bucket, fill it about halfway with pool water, not tap water, pool water. Now add your calcium hypochlorite powder. For a 10,000-gallon pool with heavy algae, use 1 full pound. For lighter algae, half a pound is fine. Stir slowly with a long stick. Do not inhale the vapor above the bucket. Do not do this indoors. Do not let it splash on your skin or clothes. It will bleach anything it touches. The mixture will turn slightly cloudy and warm. That is normal. That is the chemistry activating. Let it dissolve for about 60 seconds before adding to the pool. Step 4. Add to the pool. Now, and this is important, add the mixture at the deep end of the pool. Walk slowly around the perimeter and pour gradually. Do not dump it all in one spot. You want maximum distribution. Pour it in a steady stream as you walk the full perimeter. If you have a circulation pump or a filter system, turn it on now. Run it on full circulation mode. The water movement will spread your treatment evenly throughout the entire pool. Watch the water right where you poured. See how it creates that slight shimmer, that slight haze? That is the hypochlorous acid going to work. Immediately. Right now. Already killing algae. Step 5. Wait and let it work. Now here's the hardest step. Walk away. Leave the pump running. Don't swim. Don't add anything else. Just let the chemistry do what chemistry does. For a light algae problem, check back in 4 to 6 hours. For heavy green or black algae, leave it overnight, 12 to 24 hours. That's all it needs. The dead algae will turn gray or white. It will start to sink to the floor or get pulled into your filter. Step 6. Brush again and vacuum. Come back the next morning. Look at that pool. See the difference? The green is gone. The walls are showing their true color, and the water is starting to blue up. Now take your brush again. Brush any remaining dead algae off the walls and floor. It should slide right off. No scrubbing needed. Then vacuum the floor of your pool to remove the dead material. Run your filter until the water runs clear. That's it. You're done. Step 7. Final test. Once the water clears, test again. Your free chlorine will be elevated right after treatment. That's normal. Let the pump run for another few hours. The chlorine level will normalize. Your pH should still be in range. If needed, tiny adjustment. And then, crystal, clear, water. Let me show you what this looks like. This is what we started with. Green water. Algae coating every wall. Slimy steps. Visibility near zero. A pool that looked like it belonged in a swamp. And this, 24 hours later. Same pool. No draining, no professional, no expensive chemicals. Crystal blue water, walls clean and white. Steps visible all the way to the bottom. Can you see that? Can you believe that? $1 worth of powder, 1 treatment, 24 hours. Permanently gone. Not suppressed, not reduced. Gone. I've tested this on green algae, mustard algae, and early stage black algae. All 3, same result. 1 treatment. Done. For black algae in very advanced stages, you may need a second treatment 3 days later. I'll be honest about that. But even then, you're spending $2 total. Compare that to what pool companies charge for algae remediation. Hundreds of dollars. Gone in one video. Now let's talk safety. Because this is powerful chemistry, and I want you to use it right. Number 1. Always wear rubber gloves and safety goggles when handling the powder or the mixed solution. No exceptions. Even a small splash in the eyes is extremely painful and can cause damage. Number 2, never mix calcium hypochlorite with any other pool chemical. Not with liquid chlorine, not with algicide, not with anything. Mix it only with water. Mixing it with other chemicals can cause dangerous reactions. Heat, gas, even fire. Water only. Number 3, store the powder in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight, away from flammable materials, in its original sealed container. Number 4, keep children and pets out of the pool for at least 24 hours after treatment. Retest the water before anyone swims. Free chlorine should be below 3 ppm before swimming. Test strips will tell you exactly where you are. Number 5, do not use this treatment more than twice a month. Once is usually all you need for algae. Overtreatment will make it harder to balance your water chemistry. Number 6, if you have a vinyl liner pool, dilute slightly more than I showed. Use 3/4 of a pound instead of a full pound for 10,000 gallons. Too high a concentration in one spot can bleach vinyl slightly. Always pour while walking. Never dump in one place. Tips for prevention. Once your pool is clear, keep your chlorine levels consistent. Run your pump at least 8 hours a day in summer. Brush your walls weekly. And here's a free bonus tip. A half pound of the same powder once a month as a maintenance shock will mean you never see algae again. Ever. 1 bag a month. That's your entire prevention routine. Let's wrap this up. $1 powder, calcium hypochlorite. Available at Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, your local hardware store. Brushed the pool, dissolved the powder, poured it in, ran the pump. Came back 24 hours later. Pool is crystal clear. Algae? Gone. Forever. No pool company needed. No $80 bottle of algicide. No draining. No scrubbing. Just chemistry. Simple. Old, forgotten chemistry. Doing exactly what it was designed to do. Big Pool has been selling you complexity for decades. They've been charging you monthly service fees, chemical packages, and maintenance contracts for a problem that costs $1 to solve permanently. You now know the truth. If this video saved you money, and I know it did, do me one favor. Hit that like button right now. It costs you nothing, and it helps this channel fight the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already. I drop videos like this every week. And hit that bell icon so you never miss one. Because the next video, it might be even bigger than this one. I'm going to show you a $2 liquid from the baking aisle that removes years of rust from metal tools, car parts, and garden equipment completely in under an hour. No grinding, no sanding, no rust converter sprays, just a $2 liquid and a bucket. Comment below, what's your biggest pool or home maintenance problem right now? Algae, rust, calcium deposits, limescale? Tell me in the comments, and I will make a video for the top answer. I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one. Don't let Big Pool win.